We are a defense firm handling both civil and commercial cases. We don't do any criminal work. In a nutshell, we defend people and businesses who have been sued but are worried that they can't afford a lawyer. Rather than demanding a chunk of money up front, we offer our clients greatly reduced legal fees, which, if necessary, can be paid over the course of time. Our primary focus is defending debtors from creditor lawsuits and harassment. Most of our clients are people who just need some financial breathing room, and as a result, the most rewarding part of our practice is watching people's sense of hope shift from a really dark place into a place where they're smiling again. We look at a variety of factors when handling a credit card case, so there isn't one particular formula we apply across the board. We look at your unique situation. First, we examine the party bringing the lawsuit because that will greatly influence how we defend. In other words, we look to see if the client is being sued by an original creditor, such as American Express or Citibank, versus some debt purchaser who will have a much tougher time getting their records admitted into evidence. From there, we determine whether a settlement is in your best interest or whether we should litigate further in order to actually strengthen your position. To determine an appropriate settlement, we first look at your financial position. If you have the means and the inclination to settle, we negotiate the best terms possible. On the other hand, if you need a few months of financial breathing room, we will litigate the case and continue until we either win or the client is in a position to consider settlement. Generally speaking, negative information stays on your credit report for a period of 7 years. However, settling your credit card case will actually improve your credit score. Why? Because the entry will read on your credit report settled for less than full balance, which is a far better notation than in collection. In some instances, as part of the settlement, we arrange for what's called a trade line deletion, wherein the entry is simply removed from the client's credit report entirely. If you are planning to purchase a home or an automobile and would like to clean up your credit report, we've had a lot of success putting people in a position to be eligible for necessary loans, such as an automobile loan or a home mortgage. Absolutely, no one needs to wait until they get sued in order to put their financial house in order. If you're feeling financially overwhelmed, if you're to the point where you don't even want to open the mail or answer the phone, give us a call. We'll develop a long-range plan where we'll handle all of your debts, and from that point forward, the creditors are actually prohibited from contacting you directly. That means the phone calls will stop immediately, and what most people don't realize is that once you've hired our firm, the creditor is then required to direct all of their communication to us rather than you, which stops the harassment. This puts an end to the constant phone calls, the letters, and so you really need to avail yourself of the benefit of hiring a trained professional to negotiate on your behalf. Give us a call and let's talk about how we can make your life stress-free and debt-free.